welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this a flower tea right here. If you guys know any this kind of flower, that Roselle, we call the jeb. We can make the tea. You know, the tea tastes like a sour. Tea tastes like a cranberry. It's very good. Vitamin C, a lot of vitamin C. So I'll show you this one right here. I'm gonna make tea today. This is very good from Thailand. This is flower and they make dry, dry, and a beautiful, good sour. If you want vitamin C or go to, you have a problem, urine problem, you go to the bathroom, you're paying or pincing you. This is one for you. It's helping you like a cranberry juice, just the same thing. But this is real flower and organic and just natural. So I'm gonna show you how to make tea, okay? Okay, I put some water. I need some more. The water in the pot. And turn up the stove. Yep. Let the water boil. Okay. I'm go ahead put the tea in here. Put the flour in here. That's all I need. I don't need this much because this is very good sour, guys. Okay, very good. You can make like a cold drink, herb tea ice drink. So I'm gonna go ahead make this. I love to drink hot, so let them boil it. Okay, this is 5 minutes already. Look at the tea red like cranberry. It's a sour too. If you want a little bit sugar in there, it'd be awesome, just like a cranberry, and same benefits. Taste good sour. Oh wow, it's very good. You guys need this. Let's put my teapot right here. Wow, this is very good. Like a cranberry taste. This is fresh flower tea herb. Alright. This right here leftover. You can boil some more if you want to, but I gotta let go. It's so good, still benefits. Okay, let's go drink. See, that's beautiful. Love the tea. Love this tea. Okay, let's go ahead. This cup right here is so cute, right? From France. French people, when they drink the coffee or tea, they just use small little cup like that. I love it. Okay, let's drink. Look at that. Cheers, guys. Cheers. So good. Good sour. This is what you need. If you love little sour, just like cranberry, but no sugar. If you need sugar, you always add sugar. But if you have a good tea, why you need sugar, right? You don't need the sugar. So, cheers. For your health. So good. Yep. If you really want this tea right here, you go to Thailand market, okay? They have a Thailand, even the Spanish market they have too. But I love Thailand brand because that's where I come from and I know how the rose flower tastes. Spanish they have too, but it's some kind a little bit different taste, like a little bit taste, but not big different. But I just love to get the tea, what I know, where I come from, so I feel good because you can plant this flower rose on your own and make a tea. But in this country, you have everything for you. You don't have to plant nothing. They do everything. All you do just go to Thai market and pick it up one bag, $5, $6, $7. You can take about 6 months to make a tea. It take long time for $5. It's easy. Go ahead, go get it. And just make a tea and drink and feel good. And you buy 2020, guys. Whatever good for you, just drink. Good in and good out, okay? 2020, because people don't really care about middle of the year. People think about, okay, 2010, 2020, I'm gonna take care of my body. Let's do it 2020. Good in and good out, guys. Cheers for your health, okay? If you like this video, video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will come up more videos to show you. Alright guys, I got to go now. I'll see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. More can't get enough. This is very good for your health. Okay, cheers. Good tea, herb tea. And tell me how that tastes.
Sour taste to it.
This is a fresh flower tea herb. If you have problem with it, go to the bathroom, the urine problem, you take this one. It's helping you with a lot of vitamin C. But cranberry is good too, but they have sugar. This is no sugar. No sugar.
You don't need sugar. Everything is in it naturally. Over coffee.
That's right. This cup right here is so cute.
I'm pretty sure everybody knows when you go to Starbucks and you get that latte or whatever you get, and then after all day you get the stomach start kind of twisting and turning a little bit.
That means fake. This is real right here.
Tea you never had.